Hello guys, today I'm sharing with you my fresh tomato pizza sauce recipe. In a blender, add 4 cups of chopped tomatoes, and 3 garlic cloves. Blend well. Then, in a heated saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Let this cook for around 6 minutes until it turns a caramel color. Add the tomatoes, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Let this simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes until it reduces and thickens. Then add salt as you like. And 1 tablespoon of oregano. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.